Welcome to Reservety tutorials. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to complete rental order fulfillment process, including how to configure delivery methods, assign delivery drivers to rental orders, and manage deliveries using dedicated driver app. By end of this tutorial, you will understand how to configure delivery options for your rental business, set delivery fees and delivery limits, assign drivers to rental orders, enable drivers to manage deliveries through the driver app, and improve communication between your business, delivery drivers, and customers through automated notifications. Now let's get started. The first step is setting delivery methods. Before fulfilling orders, you will want to configure delivery methods available to your customers. First, go to your rental dashboard, click on View Admin, then click on Settings, then select Store, then open the Delivery tab, click on Delivery. This is where you will manage all your delivery-related settings for your rental business. Before adding your delivery methods, make sure you delete the default settings. Go ahead and click on Delete if that is not applicable to your area. If you want to offer self-pickups, switch this on, click on it, and you can customize it by clicking on Edit, or you can delete it altogether. In this case, let's customize it. Click on Edit to customize it. If you want to charge additional fee for the self-pickup, you will write it here. For example, if you are charging $20 for self-pickups as well, you will write here 20, or you can write here any number you want. You can write here 50, you can write here 100, then we'll click on Save. To add additional shipping or delivery method, click on Add Shipping Method. Then you will pick one of these options here. You can offer free shipping. You can offer deliveries with flat rate. And as we mentioned earlier, you can offer local pickup. And you can introduce fee per mileage option, which is the bottom one here. Now let's start with the free shipping option. Click on the free shipping. Then click on Continue. So we will leave this section as it is. If you want to change the label, you can do so under the name section. And you can introduce requirements for the free shipping by clicking on the field here. In this case, we don't have any requirements for free shipping, so we will go ahead and create and save. So as you can see, we added free shipping method for our rental business. Now let's introduce a flat rate shipping method. So we will click on Add Shipping Method again. Then we will click on flat rate. Then we will click on Continue. You can put here how much you charge for the flat rate. Let's say you are charging $75 per delivery. So we wrote here 75, and you can put here any number you want. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Create and Save. As you can see, we added a flat rate delivery method as well. Now, lastly, let's add a delivery method that charges per mileage. Go ahead and click on Add Shipping Method again. Click on the last option, then click on Continue. In here, you can set the max distance for your deliveries. For example, if you are not offering anything over 100 miles, you will put here 100. And you can set here rate per mile. For example, if you are charging $2.50 per mile, you will put here $2.50 in this field. And once you're done, you will click on Save Changes. As you can see, our rate per mile is also implemented in our rental business. Before going any further, double check your business address and make sure it's correct, because the system uses your business address to assign delivery drivers and calculate your delivery fees. Therefore, you have to double check your business address. To do that, go ahead and click on Settings, click on Store. Under the General tab, you will see your address. If there is any mistake, you can correct it. Now, let's learn how to assign delivery drivers to the existing orders. To do that, go ahead and click on Bookings, then select Orders. In this page, you will see several orders with different statuses. There are 2 orders with the processing. This means we need to assign delivery drivers to these orders. You can assign delivery drivers in 2 ways. You can directly assign delivery drivers from this same page. To do that, click on the order you want to assign the delivery driver to, put a check mark, then go to the bulk auctions, click on Assign Driver to the order. Then you will see a driver selection field. Click on it and assign one of these 2 drivers. In this case, we will assign driver 2. As you can see, we selected driver 2. Once we're done, we will click on Apply. For now, for the demo purposes, we won't apply it. Instead, we will go to the more interactive way of adding delivery drivers to the orders. To do that, select multiple orders. We have two orders that we need to assign delivery drivers to, so we will put a check mark on those orders. Then we will click on orders routing. As you can see, the map with the route and two destinations shows up in the map, and each destination order location is marked with the letter signs and icons. For example, we have destination C in Fort Worth and destination B in Arlington. So what we will do, we will assign same driver both of these locations. What we will do, we will click on the down arrow on the sidebar, and we can view how much the time it will take to deliver the orders. The first location will take 1 hour 17 minutes and second one will take 39 minutes. So what we will do, we will go to the destination B first, then we will click on the selection box and select driver 1. Then we will click on change driver. Give it a moment until it saves into your system. As you can see, the pop-up message appears and it says driver assigned. Click OK. Now let's move to the second order and click on the selection box, and we will select the same driver, driver 1, click on it and click on change driver. Click OK. As you can see, we assigned drivers. Now what we will do is we will go to the delivery driver app, which will be in the hands of a delivery drivers, and each driver will have their own login information and they can access it through their mobile phone. What we will do now is we will go to the different browser and open the delivery driver app. For the demo purposes, we are entering into the driver 1's account. So what we will do, we will click on get started. Then we will enter the driver's login information and password. We entered the login information. Now let's enter the password. Then click on login. As you can see, we are in the driver 1's account. And there are two orders assigned to this driver. We will click on two orders we assigned earlier. And those are order from John Miller and order from Sarah Smith. We will select both of these orders. Then we will click on out for delivery if the delivery driver picks up the items and heads to the route. As soon as delivery drivers click on out for delivery button from their end, the orders you assigned the delivery drivers to gets updated in the rental system. Their statuses change from processing to delivery driver assigned or to the status that says out for delivery. Now, to make sure that process works correctly, click on the bookings, then click on orders. As you can see, two orders we assigned delivery drivers to, order from Sarah Smith and John Miller. Both of these orders gets updated automatically because delivery drivers set them out for delivery. Now let's focus on some of the settings of delivery drivers. As we showed earlier, we have only two delivery drivers in our system. If you want to add more delivery drivers to your system or change the existing ones, what you will do, you will go back to the dashboard, click on apps, then click on delivery drivers. In this page, you can add new delivery drivers or you can change accounts of existing delivery drivers. For example, let's say we want to add new delivery driver. In this case, we will click on add new driver. Let's pick a username for the new delivery driver. We will name the new driver driver3 and put the email address for the delivery driver. We will just use a random email address, driver3@testmail.com, and the first name for the delivery driver, let's say Smith, and last name is George, and website is not important, and language, you can set the language, and you can set system generated password, or you can assign password manually. In this case, we will go with the system generated password. Then we will click on add new user. And the system will redirect you to the new page where you will enter more information about the delivery driver. For example, you can set a new password and you can set their address, phone number, etc. Now what we will do is we will return to the driver settings again. Click on apps, click on delivery driver settings. This page is important because this is where the most settings will take place. Before we complete this tutorial, we want to show more features in the delivery driver app. To do that, let's go back to the delivery driver app. As you can see, the driver has 7 orders with the out for delivery status. Let's click on it. These are the listings of the orders they need to deliver, and you can view each individual order here by clicking order details. As you can see, it shows the route to the destination from A to B. A is our current location or the business address, and B is the destination that the item needs to be delivered. And it shows how much it will take, and it shows the fastest route possible. When you scroll down, you see more info, the shipping address, pickup address, and customer's name, phone number, and the driver can call the customers directly from the app or send a WhatsApp message, and they can view the customer billing address and the item. If they want to start the delivery for the specific item, they will just simply click on start delivery and it will start automatically. For now, we won't click on start delivery because we want to show more features about combined delivery or bulk delivery. What we will do is we will select all of the orders together and we will click on optimize route. What will happen is it will show the most efficient way of delivering all these items, which one will need to be delivered first, which one will be delivered second, etc. So once you click on optimize route, you will click on view route and it will show all of the destinations and how it needs to be delivered. Zoom in and it will show the routes. For example, it will start from the Burleson, Texas, then we'll go to the destination B, C, then E, G, then lastly it will go to the farthest location, which is in Corpus Christi. Actually, this is a mistake. This was in a demo account. Mostly deliveries will happen in this area. So we set the delivery limit around 100 miles, so the 100 miles will not be this far. But you got the idea here. So the system can optimize the routes so the deliveries will take less time and will be delivered more efficiently. Now let's go back and click on the first order and we will click on start delivery. And once you click on start delivery, it will show the time it will take. It will take 26 minutes. And as you can see, there are 3 buttons at the bottom, which is prepare delivery, delivered, and not delivered. Let's start with the prepare pickup button. When delivery drivers clicks on this button, they automatically go to the order preparations page. On the order preparations page, delivery drivers can use a barcode scanner if the item is marked with the barcodes, and they can use the serial numbers to find the right item for the delivery. And the delivery drivers can leave a special note for the delivery by clicking on the red icon here. As you can see, we left special note for delivery. We said leave the add-ons in the front door. In this case, let's click on delivered because we want to show how the successful delivery works and how the order status gets updated in the rental system. Let's click on delivered and the delivery driver will pick one of these options. In this case, let's say we deliver to the customer. We will pick that. In here, you can also leave a note about the delivery and you can collect customer signature. Click on signature, write the name of the customer, click add, then collect the signature. The customer will sign, then click on done, and you can take the photos of delivered items as a proof that the items were in good condition when they were delivered, and click on done. And it will ask you, are you sure? Click OK. From this point on, the delivery driver can continue with other orders by click on drive to the next delivery, and the next delivery is to the Sarah Smith, which is in Fort Worth, Texas, and the delivery driver can click on navigate button to view the more precise information about routes. And as we mentioned earlier, they can call to the customer or send WhatsApp messages. One thing we need to mention is we are assuming that we are delivering items that can be delivered by a single delivery driver. It will be packages and smaller items. Now let's go back to the rental system again and view the order from John Miller. Now we return back to the rental dashboard again. What we will do is we will click on bookings and click on orders to view the status change. As you can see, John Miller's order status changed to the sent because delivery driver delivered it to the destination successfully. So the system automatically changed its status to the sent. As you can see, the rental system and delivery driver app work in coordination. Whenever order gets updated in the delivery side, it gets updated in the rental dashboard. This is a proof, and you don't have to do it manually. It saves time, it avoids confusion, and helps to avoid mistakes. Another thing we need to mention in the order fulfillment is how we prepare the rental items. To explain the process more clearly, we will make a test order in our rental website. Let's say customer books a boat and selects several add-ons. For example, he selects portable fish finder and large cooler, then clicks on reserve now. Then customer enters their personal information. Then they will review the total pricing. Then they will select the payment method, agree the terms and condition, and place an order. Once they do it correctly, the system approves the successful booking, and you can view in the rental dashboard. Now let's go back to the rental dashboard again. Click on View Admin, click on Bookings, click on Orders. We can select this order, then go to the bulk actions, then click on Print Packing Slip, click on Apply. It will automatically generate the packing slip for the boat trailer. You can give these delivery drivers in two ways. You can either generate this packing slip yourself, print it out, and hand it to the delivery driver, or you can give access to delivery driver to generate the packing slip so they can view it and print it if needed. So in this case, we generated the packing slip for the boat trailer that we just booked. It shows the product information and two of the add-ons we selected during the booking process. And we have the delivery address where the boat needs to be delivered and customer's information, phone number, etc. The system also allows you to prepare orders directly from the system. Now let's select one of these orders. Let's click on John Doe's order, then click on Order Actions, then click on Prepare Order. As you can see, John Doe orders this 7x14 dump trailer, and if you make it ready for the delivery, you will simply click on a green check mark here, click on it, and it shows the item is collected for delivery. Now let's scroll down a bit, and there is a button that says Mark as a sent. You can manually mark this item as a sent. When you mark it as a sent manually, the system will change the order status to the sent. You may ask, why do we need to assign the order as a sent manually? Because we already mentioned we can do that through delivery driver app. Once the delivery driver marks the item as a delivered, the system automatically updates the order status. We will mark the orders as a sent when we offer local pickup. When the customer picks up the item, we can manually mark the item as a sent. In other case, you can mark the item as a sent when you are not using delivery driver app. So whichever is convenient for you, the both ways will work perfectly. Now let's demonstrate it. Let's click on it. Click on Mark as Sent. It says order fulfilled. Click OK. Now we are redirected to the orders listing again. Let's find the John Doe's order, which is this one. Now it shows sent. And there are more settings about the fulfillment, and we will help the customers during the process. If you have any questions about how to set up, and this completes our tutorial on how to fulfill rental orders on Reservety. Thank you for your attention, and we will see you in the next tutorials.